Last month, my roommate Jen announced she was going vegan for the planet, for the animals, and for the aesthetic. I was supportive, mostly because I thought it would mean more avocados in the fridge and fewer mystery burritos in the freezer. The first few days seemed promising. She swapped out her milk, started sprinkling chia seeds on everything, and began using phrases like nutritional yeast in casual conversation. The only mildly odd thing was the sudden influx of unidentifiable bags and jars in our pantry, half of which looked like they belonged either in a science lab or a hamster cage. By Wednesday, Jen was deep into recipe experimentation. I walked in on her taste testing something that looked like hummus but smelled like feet and glue. She insisted it was cashew cheese, but the only thing cheesy about it was her optimism. The real intrigue started when Jen invited us to her plant-based chili night, promising a hearty, eco-friendly meal that would change our minds about vegan food forever. The kitchen was a war zone, beans flying, suspicious-looking powders everywhere, and Jen frantically Googling "is yeast a plant?" Dinner was unique. The chili had the consistency of potting soil and a flavor profile best described as synthetic with notes of confusion. We all tried to be polite, but halfway through, my spoon struck something unusually firm. Jen shrugged, saying she'd used some of those cool new vegan chunks from the green bag. Upon closer inspection, those chunks were actually the packing peanuts from her latest online order. Apparently, the label said plant-based, but in the fine print, not for human consumption. So yeah, Jen's plant-based chili was technically vegan, because it was 100% plastic. Guess you could say she really nailed the artificial flavor.